Hello guys, hope all of you are doing well. So let's continue our journey and make sure that you're watching the video until the end so that you can get to know about some magical mantras. And if you have not watched a previous video, make sure that you're watching them as well. And the link of that playlist will be provided in the description below.
What is placebo effect? Our body is the product of our thoughts. Chapter 6. The secret to health. The idea that your brain can convince your body a fake treatment is the real thing. The so-called placebo effect. So let me make this more simple. The placebo effect is an example of the law of attraction in action. It is about believing a treatment will work. It's about fabricating a stronger connection between the brain and body and how they work together. You tell the patient that this is just as effective, and what happens with the placebo sometimes has the same effect, if not greater effect than the medication that is supposed to be designed for that effect. It has been found that the human mind plays a very powerful role in the healing process. You must have heard that laughter is the best medicine. It is said because the laughter attracts joy, releases negativity, and leads to miraculous cures. The disease is held in the body by thought, by observation of illness, and by the attention given to the illness. Abstain from concentrating on illness if the goal is to make it go away unless you want more of it. Talking or thinking about the illness attracts more of it. Instead, change the topic to improve the way you feel. Diseases cannot live in a body that is in a healthy emotional state. It's time for magical mantra. Growing up, you might have heard the term health is wealth, but its essential meaning is not entirely what good health is all about. In other words, to lead a healthy life, a person must be fit and fine both physically and mentally. It might be that you have struggled with your health in the past and find yourself falling into a pattern of negative thoughts when you feel slightly under the weather. Our mind can often catastrophize very quickly. Try the following affirmation and tap into the physical feelings associated with it. Today, my body feels strong and capable. I'm radiating good health. Today, my body feels strong and capable. I'm radiating good health.
Hope you guys have enjoyed the video. If yes, please do hit the fat like button and subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon for the latest updates. Please do drop your valuable suggestions in the comment box such that we keep uploading more interesting and informative content. And yeah, don't forget to share it with your friends and add value to their time too. For now, logging out, your very own Story Chef.